Dear students, let us discuss Understanding Quadrilaterals Part 3. Here in this section, we shall discuss about some special types of quadrilaterals and their properties. These are the figures of some quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral is a polygon having 4 sides, but some quadrilaterals have some special properties, so their names are different. So here we shall discuss some special types of quadrilaterals one by one. First is trapezium. Trapezium is a quadrilateral with a pair of opposite sides are parallel to each other. Here in this figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral called as trapezium with a pair of parallel opposite sides. Here AB parallel to CD. So ABCD is known as a trapezium. Then kite. ABCD is a kite and it is a special type of quadrilateral with exactly 2 pairs of equal consecutive sides. Here in the figure, AB is equal to DA and BC is equal to CD. Its one of the diagonals is bisecting the other. That means DO is equal to OB, but AO is not equal to OC. Both the diagonals AC and DB are perpendicular to each other. That means angle AOD is equal to angle AOB is 90 degree. Then come to parallelogram. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which each pair of opposite sides are parallel to each other. Here in this figure, the ABCD is a quadrilateral called the parallelogram because here each pair of opposite sides are parallel and of equal lengths. Here AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to DA. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Here AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to DA. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are also equal. Angle ADC is equal to angle ABC and angle DAB is equal to angle BCD. Then rhombus. The figure ABCD is a quadrilateral called rhombus because in a quadrilateral, if all the sides are equal, then that is called a rhombus. Here each pair of opposite sides are parallel and of equal length. That means a rhombus has all the properties of a parallelogram. Here AB is parallel to CD, AB is equal to CD. Then BC is parallel to DA and BC also equal to DA. And pair of opposite angles are also equal here. And like parallelogram, here the diagonals are bisect each other. But one extra property in rhombus is there, the diagonals are perpendicularly bisect each other. Next is rectangle. A rectangle is a quadrilateral or rectangle is a parallelogram where each angle is 90 degree. Here ABCD is a quadrilateral. It is called a rectangle because it has same property as parallelogram with one angle is right angle. And each pair of opposite sides are parallel and of equal length like parallelogram. So AB is parallel to CD, BC is parallel to DA and also AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to DA. And each angle is 90 degree in case of a rectangle. And in rectangle, the diagonals are bisect each other and here the diagonals are equal. Next, square. ABCD is a quadrilateral called as square. It has same property as rectangle with opposite sides of equal length. That means AB is equal to CD is equal to BC is equal to DA, and all the angles are equal to 90 degree. And here the diagonals are bisect each other, the diagonals are perpendicular with each other, and the diagonals are equal. Some points to be remembered: all kites are not rhombuses, but all rhombuses are kites. All parallelograms are not rhombuses, but all rhombuses are parallelograms. All parallelograms are not rectangles, but all rectangles are parallelograms. You have to remember all this. All parallelograms are not squares, but all squares are parallelograms. All rhombuses are not squares, but all the squares are rhombuses. And all rectangles are not squares, but all squares are rectangles. So here these are all the properties of special kinds of quadrilaterals. By using these properties, next we will solve some problems. Thank you.